How to send docs from Binance to Telegram wallet. Now in today's video, I will show you how to do that. Now first of all, open the Binance app and make sure to log into your account. Now tap on assets, tap on spots, tap on withdraw. Now here search for docs. So as you can see, this is our token, tap on it. Now tap on send via crypto network. And now as you can see here, you need to the recipient address. So to get the recipient address, you need to go to your Telegram wallet. Now, as you can see, open your Telegram. Now from the sidebar, tap on these three lines. Now tap on wallets. And as you can see here, tap on more assets. And here, select the docs. Now here, tap on receive. And as you can see, the recipient address, this is it. Now tap on copy address. Now go back to your Binance app. Now here, paste the recipient address that you copied from the Telegram wallet. Now select the network as the open network. The memo, if you want, you can provide it. If you don't, you can't. So it's your choice. Now here, type how much you want to send, as you can see. Now as you can see, now tap on withdraw. So because I don't have any fund, I can't. So after you tap on withdraw, you can confirm after that, and you will be able to send docs to your Telegram wallet from Binance. So this is how to send docs from Binance to Telegram wallet. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.